Hafsa, Swaraj, Shajana, Swaib, Fabiha, and Mursal. Female classroom, pick up all the papers and throw it in the bin. Where is the bin? Slowly, slowly. Do not run and do not push. Do not speak in Bangla, Baba. Speak in English. Try to speak in English. Very good. Baba, find out there. Say, I have finished. Don't say that. Good. Thank you, Lakshman. Tamidur. If you are finished, take your seat and do properly. Very good. Mursal, thank you, Baba. Swaraj, take your seat now. Now we clap our hands for all of our friends. You did a great job. Thank you.
Academia Outstanding English Medium School. Proper education of child is the best investment in the world. Academia Campus, Dhanmondi, Lalmatia, Mirpur and Uttara. Hotline 01621 444111.